Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to put two words on top of a cube like this. Really pretty easy. And I'm going to, well, I've got that one already done. I can go up to Object, break the text apart, and I can move this text out of the way. One way, and for a lot of people this might work the best, if you Control K and group, and then kind of group these together, Control G, so you'll have two different words. You could actually just put them here by hand, like get it right there on that edge. And if you remember I made a couple videos the other day about text doesn't really snap to anything. So I'm going to use that as an anchor point, and then I'm going to do this right here. And then all you have to do is skew it. So this, I should have maybe skewed it first. Yeah, I should have skewed it first. So let's back up. And I'm going to skew it that way. And then I'm going to turn my angle. So that's one way to do it. And you can do both words like that. But let's back up here where this is all one word. And let's do text to path a little bit differently. So I made a polygon, six-sided polygon, and if you watch enough of my videos, you know I use it a lot because that's basically the top of the square. But we're just going to go text to path and put it on that path, and that red line means it's in the middle. Now, these are going up and down. So right here, a lot of people don't realize they're here. You could do this right here and make them look like that. Now, with your shape tool, so we want that L moved over. See all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nodes for the letters? Make sure you just encompass both nodes and then just move them down the path. You can't get off because it won't let you because it's keeping it on the path. And then you could make it look like a cube. And most of y'all have seen this if you follow my videos. Really easy to make a cube out of the six-sided polygon. Matter of fact, it's probably the best way. Let's use the Smart Fill tool, fill that in, and you have writing on a cube. Of course, you would want to put an outline there so it looked like a cube. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.